Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to include someone else in your Gmail conversations without starting a whole new thread, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add CC in Gmail. Quick, simple, and perfect for 2025. So let's dive right in. First, open your Gmail account and head over to your inbox. Find the email you want to reply to and click on it to open the conversation. Once it's open, look for the reply icon. It's that curved arrow pointing to the left, usually near the top right corner of the email. Click it, and a reply window will pop up. Now, in that reply window, you'll see the recipient's address in the To field. Right next to it, you'll notice a small CC option. Go ahead and click on that. A new line labeled CC will appear just below the To field. Here's where you can add the email addresses of anyone you want to carbon copy on your reply. This means they'll receive the same email, but they're not expected to respond. It's just to keep them in the loop. Once you've added everyone who needs to see the message, go ahead and type your reply in the main text box below. Keep it clear and to the point. And if it's a professional email, make sure your tone fits the context. Before hitting send, take a quick moment to double check both your To and CC fields to ensure everyone's correct. Once you're ready, click send. And that's it. You've successfully CC'd someone in Gmail. It's a simple feature, but it can make your communication so much smoother, especially when you're collaborating or keeping multiple people informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you understand Gmail's CC feature better. If it did, be sure to check out more helpful how-tos like this one, and happy emailing.